Shall we clean Buzz? Oh, time to wake up. Hey, lazy Buzz, wake up. Buzz, stop that. Okay, come. Let's go and brush our teeth.
What are teeth?
These are our teeth.
Brush? No, I don't want to brush my teeth.
Eee! Buzz, your teeth will not be strong then. Come, let us brush.
But I don't know how to brush my teeth.
I will teach you to brush your teeth.
What is this?
This is a toothbrush and this is a toothpaste. Now hold it like this. Just do it like me. Up and down. Up and down. Now take it inside. Now we will clean our mouth with water. Now wash the brush also. Okay, now we have brushed our teeth.
Hey, Chinu, that was so simple. Now my teeth are clean and white.
Oh, Raja, your teeth are clean too. That's good. Clean teeth means healthy teeth.
What is he doing, Meenu?
He is brushing his teeth with a neem stick. Come, it's time for a bath.
Oh no, I don't want to have a bath. Don't pull me, Chinu.
Come then. If you don't have a bath, you will be dirty and you will smell.
Should I have a bath every day?
Yes, you should have a bath every day, Buzz. Come, Buzz, sit down. Meenu, can you please give me the soap? Here, Chinu, take it. Raja, you also come. Now, don't run away. Now, both of you are dry and clean. Buzz, stop, stop. You should never put sharp things into the ear.
But there is water in Raja's ear.
Come, we will clean it with a soft towel. Can you hear well? Now, Raja. Oh, Raja, why did you sneeze on Buzz?
Oh, but he has water in his nose also.
But you should never sneeze on anyone. We should cover our nose with our hand or a handkerchief when we sneeze.
Oh, you are sweet, Raja. Come, let's eat now.
Let me wash my hands, Meenu.
Oh, that's good, Chinu. We should always wash our hands before and after eating food. Hey, Chinu, you have to wash that fruit also. You have to clean it before eating.
Oh, yes. Let me clean it.
Why do you clean everything, Meenu? It's good to clean everything, Buzz. If you are dirty, you will fall sick. What is Papa doing, Meenu? He is combing his hair. Who combs your hair, Meenu? I have long hair. Grandma combs it. So you have to comb your hair every day? Have a bath also every day? And be clean?
Yes, Buzz. You have to keep your eyes, mouth, ears, nose, and the whole body clean.
Keep it clean all the time. Come here, Buzz and Raja. You were very good today. You are nice and clean. We will sing a song for you. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we have a bath, have a bath, have a bath. This is the way we have a bath so early in the morning. This is the way we dry ourselves, dry ourselves, dry ourselves. This is the way we dry ourselves so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning. This is the way we wipe our hands, wipe our hands, wipe our hands. This is the way we wipe our hands so early in the morning. This is the way we dry our fingers, dry our toes, dry our legs. This is the way we dry our fingers and one shiny nose so early in the morning. But think how much less time it would take if we were dogs and could shake, shake, shake so early in the morning. Shall we match the following? Bathing, brushing, drying, washing, Rinsing. Bathing. Brushing. Drying. Washing. Rinsing.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
Do you brush your teeth in the morning? Do you have a bath every day? Do you wipe your body after a bath? Do you comb your hair? Who combs your hair? Do you wash your hands before eating? Do you clean your mouth after eating? Friends, did you like the song? Do you also keep yourselves clean? Bye bye.